5KH693264. One 74820. Alright, on this Charger I have been getting a weird pop from the right front of the vehicle. Also, the power steering seems inadequate on top of that. As I showed, both of the front tires, they have excessive inner tread tire wear. The right front CV axle, the inner grease boot is unsecured. The differential housing is covered in a thick, greasy sludge. Looks to be long-term. And I just took it down the road, very short drive so far, and there is a strange, there's a strange sensation coming from the right front of the vehicle. I was hoping to get it on film, but there's so much traffic here. I guess I'll just keep it rolling. Plus, it doesn't help matters that I'm in a white, unmarked police car with a large push bumper. There's like a rattle coming from the right front. And there's like a strange sensation. It's hard to describe. definitely a loud clunk over bumps coming from the right front as well. Let's turn the I'm hearing a rotational noise coming from the right front. Doesn't really seem like it's wheel bearing related, because steering left and right makes no difference. Transmission almost seems like it's downshifting, oddly, as well. When you're driving at a slow speed on deceleration, transmission kind of like clunks into gear when it's downshifting. Let's see. I'll do it. Like there was some binding on that full lock right turn when giving it a bit of accelerator input. Let's try that again. We're gonna go full rock. So that time it was okay. Intermittent binding on full lock turns. I mean, something's going on with that CV axle for sure, but the power steering doesn't feel quite right either. It feels like it's a little bit inadequate. See, it was just kind of like, I'm going on this is a concrete street here, and like it just kind of pulled me to the left. I don't know if you saw that in the steering wheel. There should have been nothing in the roadway that would have caused the vehicle to pull like that. Try a full lock left. Yeah, the steering is funny. So, I believe that I have confirmed the dealership's concerns. I'm going to take it back. So, thanks for watching.